Hi everyone! You are watching the How to by Axon, a series of practical tech tips from our software engineers on how to make your IT product sharper for competitors and better for customers. My name is Alina, and today we're going to talk about implementing checkout into your application. A smooth checkout process is a must if you are running an e-commerce platform, a subscription-based service, or any other business that involves online transactions. In this guide, our software engineers will navigate you through the payment provider integration process with Stripe as our prime example. You will get familiar with the intricacies of payment methods integration, find out the payment intention specifics, and will get clear code instructions to make your checkout experience seamless. Gain step-by-step guidance to boost conversions and user satisfaction. Dive in now!